Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be opening up some Pokemon cards. Now, first of all I want to say a huge thank you to everyone that watched my eBay video and went to eBay and had a look at my items, or even possibly put a bid on my items. So thank you to each and every one of yous. And as I said, it was going to fund a new hobby, and my new hobby is collecting and playing Pokemon. Now, I've been playing the online TCG. I'll put a link in the description box down below to that, where you can play Pokemon online for free, and you get quite a bit of cards for free to start out with. So I highly recommend you check that out, guys, and it's got a really cool training guide. So first of all, as we look at this box, this is called an Elite Trainers box, and what this basically is, every time they bring out a new set of cards, they bring out an Elite Trainer box where it gives you a guide to the set, and it talks about some of the best cards in the set and how they work and so on and so forth. I've actually got that card online. I got it in a card pull, that one there. But yeah, it's going over the different cards, the energies, and then it's got a checklist of all the cards that are in that given set. Now this particular one is Sun and Moon Ultra Prism. And you can pick up Pokemon cards at Goblin Gaming. I'll put obviously a link in the description box below to Goblin Gaming, where you can go and check out the cards for yourselves, guys. But let's open the box. Now the box that you get with these Elite Trainers is absolutely brilliant. It's fantastic for storing your cards in. And here we've got our booster pack. So what you get in the box is you get 8 boosters. So you can see here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boosters, which we'll be cracking open in a bit. You get a pack of energy cards. Now these are really important to play the game, guys. So if you're actually starting out with Pokemon first time, it's a really good idea to get these Elite Trainer boxes. You also get some card sleeves. I think there's 60 or 65 sleeves in here, and these are absolutely perfect to store your built deck in. You get some tokens. One's for burning and one's for poison, which is important for the game, and you get a GX token. You get some dividers, which are good to separate your cards into decks and so on. You get an online code that you use to unlock boosters online, and then you get some dice that are used for wound allocation, which is really cool. Okay, I'm going to cut the video, guys, and we're going to come back and we're going to have a look at some of the cards from the box. Okay, so let's open the first pack and let's see what we get in there. Now, some of these rare cards can sell for quite a bit online. Now, I don't really know, without having to look at the set, what the very good rare cards are. But I'm sure you guys in the comments below that know more about the game than me can go over that. But here we've got the cards. We've got a Moorhall, a Cosmog, an Execute, a Lytic Lung, a Buzzile. And we've got a GX card out of the box, which is absolutely fantastic. These are the rares for the booster, guys. I've got a GX card which is absolutely fantastic. Really happy with that pull. And we've got a washroom. Sorry, a wash rotom. I'm going to butcher all these names, guys. I mean, look at that one. Oranguru. And we get our trainer card. So that's the first booster pack. Just going to set those aside. Okay, so second pack, guys. Sorry if I'm taking my time getting these cards out, guys. I would want to be careful. I don't want to bend the cards up. Each pack, see that card there, guys? Each pack comes with an online code that you can use to unlock the a pack online in the game. So not only do you get a physical pack of cards, but if you play the online game, you get another pack of cards that you can open up on the actual game, which I think's fantastic value. Okay, so we've got a Passimian, a Shinx, another Execute. Sorry about the barking, guys. A Magnemite, Buzzile, and two shinies? Yeah, two shinies again. I got a Yanma and a Cresselia. We've got our energy card, a Cosmian, a trainer card, and a Brazong. I'll just set those aside. Okay, guys, so third pack. Would help if I actually had the camera on the cards. Right, so here we have a Murkrow, a Magnemite, Snova, Glameow, that's such a cool card, a Drifloon, and our rare cards in here is a Sneasel, which is another shiny, and a Heatran. Got an energy, a trainer card, a Cherim, and a Magneton. Okay, so we're halfway through now. I'll just take the token card away and we'll just flip the cards over like so. And we've got a Hippopotas, a Rulu, a Diglett, a Piglope, a Salandit. Oh, we've got a rare trainer card by the looks of it. Or if it's not rare, it's just foil, I should say. And our special card is just a normal. It's not a prismatic card. And we've got our energy, a Monferno. Oh, that'll come in handy. Great card, Garboite to go with Garchomp. And a Pokemon Fan Club supporter card. The 5 has got an Eevee to start with, Salandit, a Turtwig, a Rulu, a Croagunk, Roselia, And another GX card. That is absolutely wonderful, guys. A Pheromosa. Got an Energy, a Spiritomb, Gumshoot, Luxio, okay, so we've got pack number 6, and we're starting off with a Magnemite, a Croagunk, a Bronzor, a Gible, again great card to go with Garchomp, Parachute, a Sandslash, nice shiny there, rare, Shaymin, an Energy, Tortonator, Missing Clover, and last we have a Floatzel. Pack number 7, and we have an Eevee, a Vulpix, a Diglett, a Shinx, a non-foil Yama, which I had earlier, and a rare is a Toxicroak, and we have an Abasmo, Energy card, Trainer card, and a Sheldon, and an Order Pad. Last pack, guys, we have Pachirisu, I hope I got that right, guys, a Skorupi, a Yungoos, a Cherubi, a Piplup, a Salandit, and another GX card, a Celesteal, which is cool, an Energy card, a Skuntank, a Paypad, and a Yanmega. Okay, guys, so that's our 8 packs that we got out of the Elite Trainer box set, and again, I'm such a newbie or a noob, whatever you want to call it, at collecting Pokemon cards. I'm not too sure what the best cards are. I know the GX cards are really, really good. I don't know if these particular two are very good. Palkia looks like a really nice card. But yeah, let me know what you think of putting Pokemon on my channel, guys. As I say, I'm still going to be putting loads of painting videos up and tutorials and reviews and unboxings, but I do want to break into new and interesting and exciting hobbies, and this is going to be one of them. So I really hope you don't mind me sharing my new hobby on my channel, guys. And don't forget to check the description box down below for Pokemon Online, where you can play it on your PC or tablet. I don't think it's compatible with phones, but on your tablets or your PC you can play it there. And also don't forget to purchase all your Pokemon stuff from Goblin Gaming. They are the #1 rated hobby store in the UK via Trustpilot, so that stands for a lot, guys. So anyway, thank you very much for taking the time out to watch this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.